Welcome to our channel, where we explore the secrets of natural beauty and holistic wellness. Today, we're diving into the healing power of botanical ingredients for enhancing your natural beauty. Botanical ingredients have been cherished for centuries for their incredible benefits. From soothing aloe vera to antioxidant-rich green tea, these natural wonders can transform your skincare routine. Consistency is key when it comes to skincare. Make sure to cleanse, tone, moisturize, and protect your skin from the sun every day. These daily rituals are essential for maintaining a radiant complexion. But beauty isn't just skin deep. Nourish your body from within with proper nutrition, hydration, and supportive supplements. A balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals will give your skin that healthy glow. Adopt holistic approaches like regular exercise, mindfulness, and quality sleep to promote ageless beauty. These practices help reduce stress and improve overall well-being, reflecting positively on your skin. Incorporate traditional and ancestral beauty practices alongside modern skincare advancements for a well-rounded routine. Combining the wisdom of the past with today's innovations can give you the best of both worlds. Embrace the healing power of nature and make these practices a part of your daily life. Your journey to natural beauty starts here. Do you want to stay updated? So like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health and beauty tips. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.